Hey class, this is how we work on the 2.1 guided reading part A. So on this side over here, you will see the worksheet that I asked you to open up on your iPad, and over here you see the scanned pages of section 1 of chapter 2. So here's how this works. When we're looking for these parts, like a question that says, what is the metric system? You see the words metric system, and then over here, they're highlighted metric system. And then notice that if I want to answer the question, what is the metric system? Usually the answer comes right after the term metric system. So that would be a system of measurement based on number 10 that I would write here. A system of measurement based on the number 10. Good. Modern scientists use versions of the metric system called the SI. Sorry. Does it have? There it is. Système International de Units. It's actually called the metric system, but we abbreviate it with SI. Okay. It says circle the letter of each advantage of using the SI as a standard system. So down here in bold it says the SI system is a standard system of measurement, allows scientists to compare data using SI system allows scientists to compare data. So that's one. Every country can have its own system. Nope. All units can be expressed in the French language. Nope. And scientists can communicate. And scientists can communicate with each other. So that would be the other one. SI units are based on multiples of the number 10. That's it. And I found all of that information in here in the reading. And that's how you find the information and answer the questions. So keep going here. I look here on page 95. I have common SI prefixes. Notice kilo is here. Kilo is here. What does kilo mean? It's a K and it has a meaning of 1,000. And up here is the 1,000, so A goes here. So go ahead and match these up, hecto, deca, deci, centi, and milli, and what they mean over here. So go ahead and fill that out. Is the following sentence true or false? Each SI unit is 10 times smaller than the next smallest unit. So how far can we throw the softball? Well, if we take a look at this, kilo is 1,000, which is 10 times larger than the next smallest unit, which is hecto. So that would be no. This question says each SI unit is 10 times smaller than the next smallest unit. So no, it's 10 times larger than the next smallest unit, so this would be, of course, false. What is length? Length, if we look here and read where length is, it says, how far can you throw a softball? Can you judge by eye how far the ball travels? A better way to find out would be to measure the distance, or length, that the ball travels. Length is the distance from one point to another. Okay? That's what would go here then. Right there. The basic unit of length in the system, in the metric system, is 1 meter. Okay. Let's just keep going here just to make sure that we understand. Which of the following sentences are true about the metric system? About meter measurements? Most 13-year-olds, look for 13. It says, where does it say? Most students your age are between 1 and 2 meters tall. Close enough. That's good. The distance from your floor to the common doorknob is about 1 meter. I think it says that somewhere. Is about the distance from the floor to the doorknob. So that's another one. The ceiling to your classroom is about 1 meter above the floor. That is not true. And your arm is about 20 meters long. That's not true. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. Circle the letter of the common tool used to measure the length. Metric balance, nope. Metric ruler, looks good. Not the graduated cylinder and not Kelvin. Okay, I think you guys get to see how this works. Let's try this one more time. There we go. Next part is mass. Just like we did before, highlight mass, the measurement of the amount of matter an object contains. The basic unit of mass in the SI system is right there. A device that works by comparing the mass of an object to a known mass. Measuring mass may use a balance, works by comparing mass of an object, so that would be the balance. Okay, and circle the letter, the best definition of weight. Oop, weight is not on this one. Weight's on the next part. Oops. Maybe weight is a little further down. Let's take a look. There it is. So, best definition of weight is measurement of the force of gravity. Measurement of the force of gravity acting on an object. Okay, I'm going to let you finish up with volume then, and you can see how it works.